Hello everyone, good day. My name is Paul from Longwell Electric Technology Company Limited. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you some more plastic products. Longwell is a professional manufacturer which is specialized in HVACR fans, motors, and components for the application of air conditioner, air exchanger, coolers, heaters, floor convectors, sterilization purifier, air purifier, medical purifier, and ventilation energy industry, and 5G cabinet. For air conditioner blades, Longwell is capable of designing and developing cross-flow fan impellers, axial fan blades, and backward or forward centrifugal fan blades. With widely range of diameter from 50 to 180 millimeters for this cross-flow fan impeller, and 103 to 550 millimeters diameter for axial fan blades. Well, those materials are Reforced AS ABS or ABS+Glass fiber. For cross-flow fan impellers, the shaft diameter can be 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, or 12 millimeters according to customers' requirements. And the number of blades can be made with 28 blades, 30 blades, 35 blades, or 37 blades, and 2 blades, or 3 blades, or 4 or 5 blades for axial blades. These products can apply to match many famous air conditioners brands in the market, like such as Gree, Media, LG, York, etc. Our production capacity are over 100,000 pieces per month for this series of plastic impellers and blades. Based on our mold factory, Longwell is also capable of designing and making any OEM or ODM project for customers, especially the mold for fans and blades. Related mold series including plastic injection mold, inserting mold, die casting and stamping mold, and multi-cavity mold, thin wall mold, and etc. With 350 more molds capacity per year, and 95% exported to Europe and North America. Our factory also is certified by ISO 14001 and ISO 9001 and BSCI certificates. Welcome to contact our sales team for more details, and thanks for your time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.